Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to start the second poem of standard 8, that is The Pilgrim. First of all we will complete the recitation of the poem and next we'll move on towards the explanation. So first let's recite the poem. A pilgrim going a lone highway came at evening cold and grey. To a chasm deep and vast and wide, the old man crossed in the twilight dim. The chasm held no fear for him, but he paused when he reached the other side, and built a bridge to span the tide. Old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Your journey ends with the close of day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. Why build ye here at eventide? The pilgrim raised his old grey head. My friend, in the path I have came, he said. There followeth after me today a fair-headed youth who must pass this way. To chasm which led no fears for me, to fair-headed youth may a pitfall be. He too comes across in the twilight dim. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. So the poet or the name of the poet or poetess is not given in this poem. Now we have finished the recitation of the poem. Let's move on towards the explanation. But before explaining the poem, I would like to tell you the central idea of the poem. So the central idea of the poem is this poem gives us the message of unselfish love and generosity towards the fellow men. So now let's move on to the explanation. I will explain you first stanza. So in the first stanza, the poet or poetess is trying to tell us that the poem begins by telling us about a pilgrim who was traveling alone on a highway. Soon it was evening and the weather was cold. The poet also describes the evening as grey, which could mean cloudy or even late evening time when the sun has just set. At that time, he came to a chasm. The meaning of the chasm is given, that is a very deep, steep gap in earth's surface, which was deep and vast wide. Now the old man was able to cross it even though it was twilight time. As he was an experienced traveler, he was an old man, so obviously he was an experienced traveler who may also have passed through this chasm many times, who may have passed through this way a lot of times. But even though he is busy in building the bridge there, so we will get to know about the story about the poem in the next stanza. In the second stanza, the poet is trying to tell us that as he was busy in doing his work, suddenly a fellow pilgrim reached him, and he asked the old man that why he was wasting in time in building this bridge. And again he asked the question that you have already grown old, you must have already passed through this chasm many times, then what is the need to make this bridge over here? Because he is now grown old, maybe he will not be able to see this chasm next time. So the old man answers to his question in the third stanza by telling that while he was traveling, he saw a young fellow to follow the same path. Young fellow means a young boy or a young man who was following the same path of the old man, and the youth will soon reach this chasm, and in the dim twilight may not be able to judge the depth of the chasm and be inexperienced or may fall into the death, because you never know, because when there is a totally night time, totally dark, you never know that what is the depth of the chasm, how deep it is, and may even fall to death. He may also harm himself, so that's why he is building the bridge. So pilgrim got answers to this question and this poem ended here. So the poet or poetess name is not given here. So here we have finished the explanation of the poem. The meaning of ye is you, means they are telling you. So now this explanation is completed. If you like the poem, please do hit the like button. Thank you so much.